I'm Hunter Story. I'm here with Tommy Broles, the head sales manager at the Hikes Point and Benjamin Moore Paint and Wallpaper. Now, Tommy, could you introduce all of your primers that you have here?
Well, you know, we have our Ultra Spec 500. That's our Green Promise Zero VOC primer. And, you know, that's interior, drywall, wood, things of that nature. We have Fresh Start, which is our top line primer, interior, exterior, wood, whatever you want to use it on. We have, just like everyone else, we have block filler. Ours is specifically a high build block filler, and it covers better. You use this, you know, we don't really sell a lot of block fillers exterior a lot with our company. Some people still use them, you know, but what that is it helps fill in all the pinholes when you're doing block and stuff like that. You want to get that good coat on there to make sure it's sealed and it's a little easier to work with. You know, this is just our inexpensive drywall primer sealer for if you're doing a 3-coat system, something of that nature, to where you just need to get something sealed. It's fairly inexpensive. This is our Ben Advanced Stain Blocker. It's the top of the line as far as an acrylic goes. Now, there are times you still need to use an oil base, but anytime you need basically a latex stain kill, this is the way to go. Sure Seal has some stain kill qualities to it. It'll block out like graffiti, things like that, but it's not going to block out smoke or damage like that. You know, then we have our high build masonry sealer, and this actually comes in white and clear. If you have a building that really the paint job looks good on it, and you know, it's not peeling or anything like that, you can actually put a coat of the clear masonry sealer on it, like a tilt-up building. That will seal it in, and then you just put one coat of finish over top of that in the color. So, you know, you're actually putting a 2-coat system in, but you're using the old color as a background, as a primer. But, you know, you need to really have the building in good shape to do that. And then there's the white, and we can tint it. You know, this is our workhorse. You know, I sell more of this primer probably than any primer we have in the store.